Good morning and a very warm welcome to the first round of Yes Security Wongawitz quiz. I am Shraddha Yadav, your host for today's event. First, we would like to thank you all for showing your keen interest in participating in the quiz.
So as already mentioned by Shraddha, we have 10 questions. And as we mentioned, it's a faster finger first round, right? So I hope all are ready. On the screen, your first question. First question is, what is the full form of SEBI? All. Whose team all? Yeah, you are leading now. That's great. Awesome. Let's go with the next question. Are you ready? Mutual fund is regulated by SEBI in India. True or false? All done. That's awesome. Again, the all is leading. Great. Let's have a next question, please. Aadhaar card has how many numbers? This is a very tricky question, I think. Now it will take time. Great one. Awesome. Let's see. The leadership board changes. Yeah, it changes. Now it's Laukeb. Who is Laukeb? Where? Oh, great. Awesome. Great. Are you ready for the next question? Everybody, please look in the tab. Aapke tab pe dekho, please. Right? Let's go for it. SEBI was established which year? Still we have all done. Let's see. Scoreboard. Yeah. Now Laukeb is again leading and all. Followed by all. Fifth question. Till one team is to answer. Great. Big round of applause, please. So LVL and MR will go into the quarterfinals on 7 December. You have 10 questions. All the best. After every question, I'm going to show you the scoreboard and the leadership board. Let's begin. And your first question is 3, 2, 1. Let's go with your first question. What is the full form of CRR? Let's see all answers. The answer is, let's see first of all the leadership board. Who is leading? Oh, NGN and MYR are the top two. Great. And the right answer is cash reserve ratio. Right? Which is issued by central bank. Let's go. The second question. We cannot invest in gold through mutual funds. True or false? Let's see the leadership board. Change NAD. Now NAD and NGN is leading. Great. Let's go with the third question. Can we go? Risk is same and common for everyone. Do you agree? Can't say yes, no, maybe. Very important question from the risk management point of view. That's why the diversification word has come into existence. And let's see. Again, the score remains the same. NOK. Who is NOK? Okay, you're not open your account. Okay. Still you have to go. Then we have top. We'll discuss this after 5 questions. Who present the union budget? Finance Minister, Chief Minister, Revenue Minister or Prime Minister? Let's see. And the right answer is, oh, the team changed. So now MYR has taken the second position. So the right answer is Finance Minister. Great. Let's go with the next question. Fifth one. On which day Muhurat trading take place? Diwali, Dussehra, Holi or December? Know the answer, but you have punch in the last. Let's see. Leadership board after 5 questions. Let's see which team is leading. NAD is leading. NAD? Where are you? NAD. And the second one is MYR. Followed by NGN, MWK, NPR. Finally NOK has opened their खाता खुल गया आपका boss. Now let's see, you have more 5 questions to go. Anything can happen anytime. Let's go with the next question, 6th one. Let's go for it. How many languages are there on our currency notes? Oh, very. हम सबको नोट तो देते हैं. We give it to everyone. Okay, so now there is a tie between, for the second rank, there's a tie between MYR and NGN. Very close are MWK, NPR, even NOK is very close now. So for the second position, all the teams are fighting it out. But first position, NAD is leading way ahead. Now we have three more questions. So all the rest five teams, you have chance. If NAD does anything wrong, then there can be a chance that you can go ahead. Now all the three questions are coming up. All the coming three questions are very important. So I hope everybody is ready. Let's go for it. Identify the bank by their logo. Punjab Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank, Bank of India, or Union Bank of India. Yes, position change. Fourth and fifth has changed. NPR has taken over. NPR is coming up now. Now, 9th question. Here it goes. Identify the right personality. Let's see who can do it. He was a very famous investor. Even we saw. Oh, I think everybody has done. Let's see the scoreboard after 9 questions. And we have no change in the scoreboard. So NAD is leading, right? NAD is leading, followed by he was Radhakrishna Damani, and he's the owner of which company? Absolutely fantastic, DMart. Now we have last question. Now I think there is no gap between second to sixth ranks, right? You can see the leadership board. Now the last question is match the column. I am repeating. This question can really change the table upside down. Because you have to scroll who is the right, whatever the right answers are, and then you have to click the right button, right? Until you enter, don't only say, until you enter, the answer will not be get punched. I'm repeating it out. Can we start? Let's go with the last question. Let's see who are the top 2 quarter finalists. Let's go with the last question. Let's see what is the question. This is very important. Match the right regulators with the right assets. All the team punching their answers. One more team. Yes. So now let's see. On the third rank, we have NGN, MYR and NAD. So MYR and NAD are the top 2 quarter final. You'll be playing on 7 December, quarter and semis. Thank you. Ready? Ready? Excited? So let's go with the first question out of 10. Hitting your tab right now. Look for it. 3, 2, 1. Let's go for it. What is the full form of GDP? All 5 answers. 1 is still remaining. Let's see the answer. 1 is still remaining. Time's up. Let's see the leadership board. Let's see the leadership board. And we have SAR and SCR leading, right? So still to be open. Let's have the next question. Inflation decreases the purchasing power. Inflation decreases the purchasing power, whether true or false. All done? Great. Let's see the leadership board. Okay, all in. So we have SBD and SAR who are leading. Now next, question number 3. Indian financial year ends on dash. 31st March, 1st April, 31st August, 30th July. We go next question. Next question on your screen. Let's go very fast. We have less time. Which is the 8th wonder of the world as per financial terms? Let's see. Let's see the leadership board. Oh, this changes. SBD is now on second. Compound interest. Let's go with the next question. Tomato prices increased from 20 rupees in 2000 to 100 rupees in 2020. Is an example of what? Dash. Stagflation, inflation, deflation. Oh, let's see. So definitely, let's see the leadership board after 5th question. The board remained the same. And let's see the answers also. Definitely an inflation. Either the rise in the price of the product or decrease in the value of the next question. interested. RERA is a regulation to which asset? It regulates which asset? Okay, all done. We go to next question. Fast. 7th question. So if your expense is greater than income, then what you will do? What will be at position? Definitely, you know the answers better than me, and the answer is you will be in a bad trap of debt. Now the 3 questions are remaining. All the 3 are tricky one. One is identifying the bank logo, one is identifying the personality, and one is match the column. These 3 questions will decide who will be going to the quarterfinals. Before that, I want everybody to see the scoreboards. SAR and SBD. SAR is leading this particular quiz, followed by SBD, SHP, and SCR. You are very close, right? One question can hit you in the second round. Let's go with the 8th question. Identify the bank logo. Done. So let's see after 8th question, what is the scoreboard? Is there any change? Let's see. We have last question. Yes, SBD is ahead of SAR. Great. Next 2 questions. Identify the famous personality. You all know Shah Rukh and Salman, but you don't know him. Let's see, whether able to crack him or no. Guess what kiya? Great. Let's see the leadership board after 9. It's remained the same, right? And the right answer is Ashish Dhawan. Last question, match the column. You have to answer the right, you have to track the question to the right answer and tap OK, then your answer will be punched. If you don't mark it OK or punch it, your answer will not be punched. Okay? Can we go for it? Let's go to the last question and see who are the top 2 quarterfinalists. Let's go with it. Look at your tab for the final question. 1. Go for it. There are 5 different assets with 5 different regulators. Mark it in the right way. Who regulates what? So we got 1, 2 answers already done. 3. Oh, we got 5 answers. 1 is remaining. So let's see who are the top 2 quarterfinalists going. So on the third we have SHP, on the second SBD, and the first is SAR. Superb. Give a big round of applause, please. Great.